The Adventures of Cleats and Shells, where the unexpected is bound to happen. Cletus, I found a brochure of a place I think we need to visit. What is it? An art museum. Let's go and check out their collection. It's a popular place, but I find it interesting that no one has submitted a review. You didn't say anything about it including a show. I thought shows always started with the curtain. Maybe they wanted to try something different. Ooh. The mix of the yellow and the red colors makes me envision a sunset. But what does the center symbol mean? That you should not watch a sunset? It looks like games. And floats. Oh, I see a cloud on a carpet ride. Is that other one an alien spacecraft? Jellyfish. Geometrical patterns almost always find their way into nature's design. Oh, they just announced the presentation is about to start. I didn't hear anyone. That reminds me, we really should schedule a visit to the beach. Why, you didn't tell me there was a magic show. How do they make it come back? This seems to make it disappear. And this one resets it. I guess they want to make sure it has a clean start when they do bring it back. Shelly, come down from there. That's dangerous. Oh, I just can't resist. It's so light and fluffy. I want more and more and more. I think that artwork was a warning sign. But if that white fluff is not part of the show, we should help them get rid of it. I have an idea. I just booked us for the behind the scenes tour.